Hello traders, welcome to another exciting video on Trading Channel. In this video, we're going to be looking at the Safe Reward Pro for MetaTrader 5. This is currently available on Trading Channel for just $25 only. I'm going to be adding the link here in the description below for you guys to download the system and check it out. The currency pairs are for the Euro USD and the XAUSD. The trading time frame is any time frame trading session set to auto set. For the broker, we always recommend an ECN broker rather. And the backtesting is also allowed for this expert advisor, but it does not represent retrade. So you have to make sure that you backtest, forward test, and optimize. Also testing on a demo account before proceeding to use this on a live account. Now, if you subscribe to our membership for just $49 per month, you can download this expert advisor for free here. As you can see, we have the download link here. Okay, and if you scroll below here, we have some of the descriptions here. And it says here that it uses a unique take profit and stop loss management. It doesn't require any configuration and it uses a cloud-based optimization. All right, so you can see it says current price-based analysis and 5 years of real-time testing, versatile trading strategy. It employs a variety of trading strategies, including trend following, rate trading, the support and resistance breakout strategy. So you're going to be looking at all of these strategies in the back test and looking at how they are able to perform on the account. So let's proceed to the installation, guys. If you want to download this system, like I said, I'm going to be dropping a link here in the description below for you guys. You can just add it to your cart and check out for just $25 only. But if you subscribe to our membership, you can see on this section here, you can download this directly from the product page without having to add to cart or checkout. So as you can see here, I've already downloaded the system here, but I noticed something, guys. Whenever you have your real-time protection on your antivirus on, it says virus detected. Now I want you guys to know that there's absolutely no virus in the Safe Reward Pro. Usually our third-party systems often come with DLL files, and DLL files are like the licenses that enables the systems to work. So you need the DLL files in order for the systems to work, and these DLL files are often flagged as viruses by your default antivirus. So I've disabled that and I've currently downloaded the system here. So let's proceed to the installation. So I'm going to be installing on this MetaTrader 5 on an Alpari demo account here, and I'm just going to open up my folder here. So you can see I've downloaded both files. I'm going to extract this one first, and I'm going to extract this one here. Okay, so we have the Safe Reward Pro MT5 version 1.3, and we have the terminal for Safe Reward Pro. So the first thing I'm going to do is to open up the Safe Reward Pro. You can see we have the DLL here, and then we have the expert advisor, which contains the Safe Reward Pro.ex5 file. So the DLL file is also zipped, contains the DLL and the oleacc.zip file. The first thing we're going to be doing here is to close out of this terminal here. Just going to minimize this section here. So we have just our folder here. So I'm going to right click on the MT5, make sure the MT5 is closed. Right click on the terminal, click on properties, click on open file location to head over to the terminal location here. So I'm just going to open up the terminal here for the Safe Reward Pro, copy all of this here. Right click, click on copy. Right click here, click on paste. You click on replace files in destination, click on continue. Now before you do this, guys, make sure you have your real-time protection turned off. To do that, click on virus, click on manage settings and disable your real-time protection here. Okay, make sure you have that turned off before proceeding to install these files. Okay, so next head over to the Safe Reward Pro, head over to the DLL. Remember, we've already extracted this file, so I'm just going to copy both of the files here and head over back to my terminal directory. Right click here, click on paste, click on replace, click on continue for all items. Now I've done that. Next, we're going to head over to the Safe Reward Pro and copy out the expert file. Okay, so now once we've done that, we're going to double tap on the icon to open up the terminal. Now as you can see here, we are kind of logged out, so I'm just going to log back into my terminal here. So I'm going to click on file, click on log into trade accounts. I have my broker selected, so I'm just going to enter my username and I'm going to type in my password here. Click on OK. Cancel out this. Click on OK. Alright, so
incoming mail.
The next thing I'm going to do here is click on file, click on open data folder, double tap on MPL5, click on experts, click on advisors, and then I'm going to paste the Safe Reward Pro here. I'm just ensure that I copy that again. I think this is it here. I'm just going to copy this again. Then I'm going to head over to this section here, right click on paste. I already have that, but I'm just going to click on replace to replace it entirely. Okay, so I'm going to click on view, click on Market Watch. Remember we said this expert advisor actually works on EURUSD and XAUSD. So I'm going to open this on EURUSD here. Open this on probably the 15 minutes time frame. According to the expert advisor, it says it works on any time frame. And then we're going to click on View, click on Navigator here. Ensure we have Algo Trading turned on here as well. So right click on the experts directory, the advisors directory, in the expert advisors directory as well. Right click here, click on refresh, then double tap on the Safe Robot Pro. So it comes up, shows you your trading time, shows you your risk, what exactly you're risking, and your lots multiplier set to false. The percentage of drawdown in relation to balance, you can see that says 30 as well. Okay, so ensure to have allow modification of signal settings turned on and allow algo trading turned on. Okay, so once you're done with that, you click on OK, and the expert advisor has automatically loaded up on your chart. Okay, so that should work just fine for you. You can see we've been able to start plotting or our support and resistance levels. Okay, so let me just head over to backtest and show you how this expert advisor works. You can see we have the Safe Robot Pro here. This is on EURUSD on the 5 minutes time frame. Let's just take this up to the 15 minutes time frame here. Okay, we are going to set the date to a custom period. We're going to start from September up to the 11th of the 5th of November rather. But if you're backtesting this, make sure you have to backtest from 2021 if you're backtesting from the 15 minutes time frame. I believe that's the longest data that the MQ5 on default can provide for you. So we're not going to forward test. You're going to set a delay of 1 millisecond every tick, and then we're going to set this to deposits, and you're going to ensure that we have a visual board activated here. So click on start. Alright, so we have our strategy tester up. Let's just give this a moment to load up, and as you can see, the expert advisor is now trading. And from what you can see here so far, we're looking at level of support and resistance level, or we could say high and low for the day. Right, so you can see here we just had a trade, and that was about 3.2%. Okay, another thing you can note about the system is that whenever it places a trade, there is no stop loss or take profits here. Alright, so it says it actually uses a virtual stop loss and take profits. So there's a possibility that it could use stop loss and take profits. Okay, so that's one thing to take note of. And you can see also it's trading a support and resistance here. You see we're up about 11% thereabouts. So guys, let me know what you think about the system. Like I said, it's currently available to download on Trading Kernel for just $25 only. You can download it, test it out, and you'll see how it works for you. And if it works for you, that's fine. So guys, let me know what you think about this system. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at the Trading Kernel support team. I'm more than happy to respond to you. You can also join our Telegram group for updates when we have our live meetings. We usually have our live meetings on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays by 12 p.m. GMT. So if you have any questions, you can come up there and share whatever issues that you may have with us. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.